Hey guys, this is Chris here with ProtectingCoin.com, and I wanted to do a quick open boxing of our ProtectingCoin Hideaway mount for the Ledger Nano S. So this is if you wanted to hide your or mount your Ledger like under a desk, under a shelf, under a drawer, really any kind of wood surface. And if you switch out the screws, we actually include screws with it. These are wood screws, but if you switch out the screws, you could mount it into other surfaces as well. So on the back, you see we have a few instructions there. So select mounting location and mark holes, pre-drill holes if needed, and secure with screws. If mounting to non-wood, provide correct screws. So we'll just go ahead and open that up. Like I said, all of them come with screws. These are 1/2-inch screws, but if you wanted to switch into something else, you can easily do that. Open that up. And as far as for designs on the mount, you see this one has the Bitcoin logo, and this is in orange. The colors that you can get this in is orange, white, black, and red. And for designs on it, like I said, we have the Bitcoin logo. We also have just a blank if you don't want any logo on it at all. And then we have HODL and red. I think red is my personal favorite for it. Now you see this one's already got a ledger in it, but you can see it just slides in and out there, and that just slides in. Sticks out a small amount just so you can grab onto it, but it's not coming in there. It's pretty solid in there. It's not coming loose. It actually requires a little bit of force to pull it out, so you don't have to worry about it falling out or anything. But you would take the screws, mount it up under a desk, like I said, under the underside of a drawer, bookcase, really anywhere you'd want to mount this. You could mount it out in the open, if you just wanted a place to always keep it, you could definitely do that as well. Let's see here, upside down. But like I said, here's the different designs we have, and all of these come in, like I said, black, orange, white, or red. So you can find these on ProtectingCoin.com. So please head over there, check them out. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, thank you.